Hello and Kardom to all of my brother and sister. Tonight we are going to cook a pork which will be cooked by a bamboo pipe. So this is the pork that we actually going to cook. And now we will wash the pork by hand thoroughly like this. And after that we transfer this pork to another plate. And after that we are going to add a little bit garlic paste in order to get a good flavor and little bit coriander. And now we are going to add a little amount of turmeric powder, red chili, and little amounts of garam masala. And after that we add a little slice of onions, tomato, and little amount of salt. And after that, by hand we have to mix it properly. And now it's time to insert into bamboo tube. And after that we simply place it on fire like this for some time.